So see, as we know that automation will helps us to produce more and gain more profit. That is not the only profit we have, or the advantages we have. So as an automation we have very good advantages. Okay, let's see one by one. Replacing the humans in tasks performed in dangerous environments, such as those which temperature extremes or radioactive and toxic atmospheres. So here you have systems where in production where human intervention has to be eliminated, considering the dangerous environments in production units. So I was talking about when you're converting your coal into an iron rod, that is we there is a usage of 1000 plus degree celsius would be the environment is created in that high rate of temperature. And if you go into a chemical industry where you have the chemical being used in terms of they are the inputs in terms of, so that inhaling those chemicals into an human organs, so would be dangerous to human body, or say radioactive production act, where you have a radioactive system being introduced in terms of production. So there also you see um, dangerous environment, or say not really a supportive environment to human bodies. So if you install automated system there, so you can avoid the dangerous environments for your employees. So it gives you a better environment so that they can also perform healthy with the safety, okay, aspect. So moving ahead, we have another as replacing human operators in tasks that involve hard physical and or monotonous work. So the area, like there is, if you take an industry of your cold drinks, beverages, so it is, it's not really hard work you say, but it is a monotonous work. Okay, so see, employees when they perform monotonous work, the if the productive from an human beings will, it will be reduced. So if I had to do the same work on same monotonous work on everyday basis, you will you see then as an human being we lose interest in that. So automatically that impacts the productivity of human being. So it's better we have a system, if we have a system in place which can do the monotonous day 24 bar 7 without any issues, or without any issues in terms of productivity. And even hard physical activities, if you have the heavy equipments, like in the production, in the sense of car production or automotive industry. Okay, automotive industries, if you see, there will be usage of all heavy equipments, you will be seeing into a usage of usage in terms of production. So that in that sense, if you have the automation system in place, so it will help us to perform better and produce more and more products for our organization. Okay, let's move ahead and see. Okay, just come together. Oh, it's like that. Okay, fine, no issues. It will be coming in the same way. Okay. Yeah. A third one, we have making tasks that are beyond human capabilities easier. So yeah, so we have to make it easy for, since there are certain, our human body is restricted to certain elements. Okay, so if it is beyond that, you cannot, human cannot perform. See, any individual can lift max to max 50 kgs or 25 kgs, as he can lift that weight. But if you see, there is where you have to lift very high high handling or heavy handling equipments, or heavy hard handling machineries, or say materials, if you have, so you cannot force the human resource to perform such kind of activities. So at that time, we can use the system of automations where it will help us to you know make productive easy for the production process. Okay, so this is what, and it means you need to make sure that the tasks beyond the human capabilities, where the actual your production process involves any system which is beyond the human capacities, then you can have the automation system, so that will help us as a production and the business organization to produce more and more volume of goods. Okay, Production is often faster and labor cost less as per product basis and equivalent manual operation. So production is often faster and labor cost less as per product basis than equivalent manual operation. So manual also you have to pay them, there is a cost involved in employee handling or employee. You have to, if you are utilizing them in a production system, so you have to pay them a labor cost, so which is somewhere cost oriented. So if you have an automation, that is somewhere equal to your manual operation. So even for the automation you have to make an investment, even for the production, with the help of manual interventions, you have to invest your invest in terms of labor cost. Okay, so that is what is the cost aspect of manual and automation. The automation system can easily incorporate quality checks and verifications. So yes, in terms of human, we tend to make mistakes. We tend to miss out the things during the process, or during any kind of work what we are performing in. So as a human, there is a tendency we might miss out with respect with the aspect of quality or in terms of production, and the necessity checks has to be performed during a production. So as a human, there is a tendency where we might miss out those checks, but as a machines, they're all machines are predetermined, they're all standardized things, so that they never forget things to do. Yes, they are all programmed, they all work on the program basis, machines and computers. So there is you don't see that tendency in terms of forgetting things or missing out the things. So having automation system is will help us to easily incorporate this quality checks and verifications as in production wherever it is required. Yeah, I'll just read out here: to reduce the number of tolerance parts being produced while allowing for statistical process control that will allow for me more consistent and uniform product. So that's what. See, giving quality is very important. So giving uniform in the quality of product is also very important. So if you have a check on regular basis with respect to your quality and the verification aspect, so you can produce a very good product, uniform product with all has a uniform quality. So automation system will help us to observe on the quality aspects by regular verifications. Okay, so next is economic improvement. Automation can serve catalyst for improvement in economics for enterprises or society. Yeah, so that's the reason. See, when organization is earning profit, so automatically as a business unit you contributed to as a society in terms of gross national income. Somewhere as a business organization we connect to the economic development. Yes, so this will help us to take a part, or help us the economic growth. Yes. Okay, so we have a GDP in concept, we have a gross national in concept. So we all know what is GDP. GDP is gross domestic product. Okay, which tells about what is the production ratio in the country. Yes, so automation somewhere helps us to economical growth of business organization as well as our society. Okay, so this is all about and there is another point: automation systems don't call in sick, in the sense it never falls sick. Okay, it might break down, but there is with the proper maintenance you can still make sure automation runs 24, automation system runs 24/7. So human beings, as it is a body, as it is a mechanism, it falls sick. Human, like your employees call you, yeah, today I'm not really feeling well, I may not come to an office, or I may not come to your production unit, I may not be a part of a manufacturing process today. But you don't see this thing being informed by your machines. Okay, yeah, but so that's what the automation never says, that they're sick. They has to run 24/7 with proper maintenance. Yes. Okay.